Hello again, and welcome to another lesson from the Wild Artist. Now, I've never meditated before, but I've consulted a few experts, and I wanted to share with you the lessons I've learned from these experts. Now, first, we cannot forget the formation is very important. You gotta sit down comfortably. Get comfortable. Breathe in. And relax. Now I'd like to begin with a quote from the Wild Artist. Good vibes, broad strides. Now remember, we will return to that intention by the end of the lesson. Don't forget, breathe in 3 nose and out 3 ears. Great. Great. Now that we've been working on our breathing, and we're in a comfortable seating position, remember, to stay grounded. If you need to, focus on your breathing, or the way your face feels, or the way your ears feel. Focus on the wiggling of your toes and your fingers. Great. Great. And relax. It's very easy. Just breathe in and relax. Okay, great. Now, what we have to do is look towards the sky and we need to accept the peace that we are about to have within ourselves. For if we do not accept the peace will not accept us. Great. Wonderful. Spicy. Now, I will give you some time of your own. Take this time to focus inward and outward and make an equilibrium of peace and happiness for yourself. And now we return our intentions to focusing our energies, to waking ourselves up and getting ready for whatever task we may have at hand. Remember, if you do this the right way, you don't need to do it for 15 minutes, you only need to do it for 5. You just do a little faster. And we have good vibes and broad strides coming back once again to remind us that this is the time that we take our intentions forward. Thank you, once again, for joining the Wild Artist on this wonderful journey of meditation. This certainly is a first for the Wild Artist, and we thank you for joining the show.